Hi, I'm Arvind and here to do the second experiment of database lab. And the previous experiment we have created the schema of the table and we showed you the basic operations on that. And this experiment we had to populate all the records on the table, and to populate that in the sense like we have to insert values to the attributes we have given to the table. And the syntax for that is we can insert values using the command insert into table name values, and the attributes are given in such a manner with ampersand so that we can give any number of values to the attributes. Like for customer ID, we give one login name for Alexandria, the register name, customer type, first name, last name, and so on. We give, and we can keep giving as many values as we want to the table. And to display the table, we give the command as select star from the table name. In this case, it's customer details, and the table will be shown like first name, last name, and all that. And we show all the table. Select star from car details, and the car details are entered. Select star from price details, and four tables. And the next question for us is to copy the customer details table to a new table named customer info. And to create copy into a new table named customer info, we need to create the table first. To create the table, we use the create table command. Create table name, and we give the required attributes into it. And to insert into the table, that means to copy from the customer details to customer information, we give the command as insert into the new table name which is customer info, and we select the details that the star denotes to copy all the details. So we copy all the details from the details and put into customer information, and so on is created. And the table select star from customer information, and we get the same data which is there in the other one. And next is to display the distinct name of the customer, and the syntax for this is to select distinct from the login name, distinct customer name, login from which table, customer details, and the distinct names are shown here. And next is to show the registrations for the current date, current sense for the for 31st day of the month. And the query for that is select star is to display the details from customer table where register date is like is a keyword here, and whichever date, if 31 in our case, we can give up to you, we can give 30, whichever date is convenient or necessary. The question about the question. And then next question is to list the car which is green in color. And so we list the car which is green in color using the detail. Select registration number from car detail. So only registration number column will be shown where the color should be green. That's what is mentioned in the question, and so it's here shown here. Then the output is given here as shown. Next is to create a save point as one, and so we can create a save point using save point and S1. So whatever what we have done still will be saved and not be deleted. And next is to update the table luxury car as first class in car table. So the syntax for that, the query for that is update price details, update the table name, set car type as first class where car type was luxury car. So car type will be set to first class from which was a luxury car, and the table is shown here select star from price details. And the next is remove the records for the registration made the current date. And records for remove the records for the registration made in the current date. So we can remove the record, delete from customer details where registered date is 31. Is since we showed the 31st day of the month's details, now we are deleting the data of the using delete keyword. And then the next story is experiment how the transaction is recorded using rollback adjustment. To use a rollback keyword, we give rollback to whichever save point we have created earlier, that is S1. Next, the last one is to display the luxury car annual income as annual income along with contact from Brazil. That the query for that just select base price per day into 12 as annual income and come up car type from price details, and we get the annual income caps. That's it from the video.